Kakadosh Boker Tov, we're continuing with halachot of Refuah. We did mention this in the past, but we're going to go a little bit deeper on it now, is that there's a heter of ma'achal bri'im. What does that mean? There's a special permission that if a person is going to eat foods which is normally eaten by healthy people, so therefore even though you are eating it for another reason, but the fact that normal people also eat it, so therefore it's going to be permitted. So he says here, many types of foods that people which are healthy they eat, or any types of drinks which healthy people drink, it's going to be permitted for somebody that has this type of a mechush or this type of a problem that they're allowed to eat or drink it, and there's no gizerav shechikat samanim. Why? Of the coming and crushing for the medicines. Why? Because since it's ma'achal brimu, this is a food for healthy people, it's going to be permitted. So he gives a few different examples. For example, a person that has a cold. Now obviously everyone knows that usually when you start getting a cold, you start getting the flu, anything, what do you start doing? Vitamin C. So you want to come and you want to take tapuzim, you want to take whether it's going to be oranges or other perot hadar or any types of fruits, citrus fruits that have the vitamins that you need, you're allowed to have it on Shabbat. Why? Because since normal people will come, healthy people will come and they'll eat it. So even though your kavanah is in order to have the vitamin C to get rid of your cold, but since regular healthy people, they eat it, so you're allowed to, or to drink orange juice. Because since normal people, healthy people, they come and they drink the orange juice, you're allowed to. Somebody that's, for example, constipated, so now he wants to have prunes. So therefore, it's going to be permitted that somebody that's constipated, they're allowed to eat prunes on Shabbat or to drink prune juice. Now, even though that's going to help in order the constipation, right? But since healthy people do eat prunes or they do drink the prune juice, it's going to be permitted. Another one is somebody that has heartburns. So therefore, somebody that has heartburns, they're allowed to eat, whether it's going to be almonds or cucumbers or to drink milk. Now, even though all these things, they help for heartburn, still, since the normal, regular, healthy people, they come and they'll eat it, it's going to be permitted. The one which is going to be prohibited is, for example, that somebody that has a sore throat and they want to have the Ricola or the Strepsils or things like that. So therefore here it's going to be prohibited to have these things, right? To suck on these candies which are specially designed for this. He says, why? Because since healthy people do not have Strepsils for no reasons, or Ricola or all these types of candies which is going to help for the throat, so therefore here, since it's not ma'achal bri'im, we have no permission of doing so. However, though, if there was something, whatever it is, right? A person wants to have Arak and he wants to get rid of that problem in his throat, right? If right now this is something that normal people have, they come and they start drinking these other types of beverages, so therefore it's going to be permitted. So anything, the general rule is anything which healthy people, they come and they eat, they're allowed to come and they're allowed to eat or drink on Shabbat, even though their intention is for Refuah. Because since healthy people do it, they're allowed to. But if it's not going to be done so, which means healthy people do not eat it, so therefore you're not allowed to come and to have these things on Shabbat.